Unlock your glow with RDL Papaya Soap. Have you heard about the magic of RDL Papaya Soap? This is making waves in the skincare world, and for good reason. Packed with the powerful papain enzymes, it's often praised for its skin brightening and exfoliating properties. But hold on, before you dive in, let's chat about a few important things to keep in mind. Individuals' results vary. While many have experienced many transformations, remember that everyone's skin is unique. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. Sunscreen protection is key. This soap can make your skin a bit more sensitive to sunlight, so don't forget to slather on that sunscreen. Your future self will thank you. Watch for dryness. Some users have reported dryness, especially if they use the soap too frequently or skip moisturizer. So balance is everything. So listen to your skin. Safety first. Always purchase RDL Papaya Soap for a reputable source to avoid counterfeit products that could be harmful to your skin. So ready to brighten up your skincare routine? Give RDL Papaya Soap a try and see if the glow up you've been looking for.